Good morning, my son.
Good morning, Mom.
Wake up, it is morning.
Okay, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Get out of bed.
I am getting up.
Make your bed neatly.
I am making my bed.
Go and brush your teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
Use your toothpaste.
Yes, Mom.
Wash your face properly.
I am washing my face.
Comb your hair.
My hair is messy.
I will help you.
Thank you, Mom.
Change your clothes.
I am changing now.
Wear your school uniform.
Where is my uniform?
It is on the chair.
I found it.
Button your shirt properly.
Sure, Mom.
Tie your shoes.
I tied them.
Come for breakfast.
I am hungry.
Sit at the table.
I am sitting.
Eat your breakfast slowly.
What is for breakfast?
Bread, eggs, and milk.
I like eggs.
Drink your milk.
I will drink it.
Don't spill the milk.
I am careful.
Eat all your food.
I finished it.
Good boy.
Thank you, Mom.
Take your school bag.
I have my bag.
Check your books.
All books are inside.
Do you have your lunchbox?
Yes, Mom.
Do you have your water bottle?
Yes, I do.
Wear your cap.
Okay, Mom.
Be careful on the road.
I will be careful.
Listen to your teacher.
I will listen.
Study well in school.
I will study well.
Do not fight with friends.
I won't fight.
Share your things.
I will share.
Be polite.
Yes, Mom.
Come home on time.
I will come on time.
Welcome back, my son.
I am home, Mom.
How was your day?
My day was good.
Did you enjoy school?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Wash your hands.
I am washing them.
Change your clothes.
I changed my clothes.
Have some water.
I am drinking water.
Are you hungry?
Yes, Mom.
Eat your lunch.
The food is tasty.
I am happy you like it.
Thank you, Mom.
Chew your food well.
Okay, Mom.
Did you get homework?
Yes, I got homework.
Do it after rest.
I I will rest first.
Take a short nap.
I feel sleepy.
Wake up after 1 hour.
Okay, Mom.
Wake up now.
I am awake.
Start your homework.
I am doing it.
Write neatly.
I am writing neatly.
Focus on your work.
I am focusing.
Do you need help?
Yes, please help me.
I will explain.
Now I understand.
Good job.
Thank you, Mom.
Finish your homework.
I finished it.
Keep your books back.
I kept them.
You can play now.
Can I play outside?
Yes, but be careful.
I will be careful.
Come inside now.
I am coming.
Wash your hands again.
I washed them, Mom.
It is evening time.
I am tired.
Have a snack.
I like snacks.
Eat fruits too.
I will eat snacks.
Do you want milk?
Yes, Mom.
Drink slowly.
I am drinking.
Turn off the TV.
I turned it off.
Sit with me.
Sit with me.
Tell me about school.
I learned new things.
That is great.
My teacher is kind.
I am glad to hear that.
I love my class.
It is dinner time.
I am hungry again.
Come to the table.
I am coming.
Eat properly.
I am eating.
Do not waste food.
I won't waste it.
Finish your dinner.
I finished it.
Clean your place.
I cleaned it.
Go and brush your teeth.
I am brushing, Mom.
Wash your face.
Done, Mom.
Change into night clothes.
I changed them.
Say your prayers.
I said my prayers.
Get into bed.
I am in bed.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, Mom.
Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom.
Sleep well.
I will sleep well.